Keep Episode 1. A perfect tree. Bud lived in a perfect tree. I love my tree, she said. It in a nice quiet park and I can see the ocean. One day Bud was sleeping. Boom, bonk. What made that sound? Asked Bud. Bud looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bud went back to sleep. Boom, bonk. Ouch, said Bud. Bud looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bud went back to sleep again. Crash, bang, boom. An acorn, cried Bud. Where did this come from? Bud looked up and saw a chipmunk. Sorry, said the chipmunk. Hold that. Okay, said Bud. What are you doing with on this acorn? I am moving in, said the chipmunk. You are moving in? Asked Bud. Yes, said the chipmunk. I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor. Bud and Kip. Episode 1.